2, 1. Immediately off the start, Eagle Pride A is going to pick up a ton of cubes. Also, Ebu Empire getting some cubes into this first goal. Teams are going to start knocking these cubes off the post and try to get as many points as possible. Eagle Pride A filtering these purple and green cubes in their robot. The Ebu Empire getting another green cube, just barely missing that goal. Give it 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Eagle Pride A with a ton of cubes in their robot. The Ebu Empire dropping off another to get that unicorn bonus. With 22 seconds left, Eagle Pride A trying to get these bonuses in all of these goals. They're lining up, trying to score all these greens. And they dispense a ton of green cubes into that goal as Emu Empire goes for the partial park. And they manage to pull it off. Eagle Pride A also manages to get the partial park.